Guys, today is the day of the hurricane. Yeah. Down here in Essex, we're only gonna get like, rain and some winds. It's for YouTube.
Yeah, but I'm being serious. I don't want you getting hit by a car.
I know.
Do stuff like that, you need to stay up on the sidewalk and you need to pay attention to cars out of driveway.
Okay, I'm talking about the hurricane right now.
Well, be safe.
Say hi to YouTube, Mom.
Where we go?
I will.
Watch where you're going.
Alright. Okay, but guys, we're gonna get somewhere around 22-mile-an-hour winds down here in Essex, something dumb like that. Of course, we're gonna get rain, but we're not gonna get the full-on force of the. I'm not sure if it's class 5, but I recently heard it's a class 4 hurricane, but I'm not sure if it's moved up any recently. So yeah. Oh, and I just felt a raindrop on my. Starting to feel raindrops. Guys, I guess this is where it starts. Look at those clouds. Dang, right? And it's probably gonna be like 100-mile-an-hour winds where up at the coast, where it's up at the shoreline where it's coming in. Something dumb like that. But guys, I also made the Autobus episode today, which is the day of the hurricane. Not sure if they're gonna name this one, but they might because it's a class 4. Usually name it when it's class 4, class 5, or class 6. Well, that's what I heard. 4, 5, or 6 they name. Or 3, 2, and 1 they don't. Well, that's what I've heard. I'm not completely sure about it. If my mom knew I was riding in the road right now, she'd be pretty mad. Woo, woo. I hope Dakota's home. Guys, if Dakota's home, so, yeah, Dakota's home, we can make some better videos. Wait, I gotta check the quality right now. Okay, still good graphics, good quality, good stuff. Oh yeah, good stuff. I need to go get my money to go get the good stuff for my friend. So we get this, we call this good stuff because it's pretty freaking good. It's called Mio Energy. Basically, you pour it in some like water, and it basically turns into a kid-friendly energy drink. It's pretty freaking cool. That is Connolly's funeral home. Over there is Dudex. Pretty good freaking store. They have low prices. Such low prices, it is unbelievable. I wonder. You know, guys, we're just gonna ride around for a bit. Look at the sky a few times. And just, yeah. Why? What? I hate always having to fix this. Oh. Guys, these clouds though. Yo, it's unbelievable. If you were to see how dark these clouds really are, from my perspective, it'd be pretty freaking dark. Look through my perspective, it's pretty freaking dark. That's what it looks like on camera. Oh dang, It's actually kind of darker on camera. I did not realize that. This is my old school, Essex Elementary School. I'm now in high school. I go to Stemmers Run Middle. Not high school, middle school. Ugh! I don't even know what I said. I don't even know if I said high school or middle school at first. But who cares? Woo! And yeah. Let's go ride some bumps. Well, not bumps, the speed bumps, yeah. Speed bumps. Let's go jump some. Wait, I kind of want to do it, but I kind of don't because I don't want to drop my phone and crack it and break it. Knowing that I'm going to get in trouble, so much trouble. But let's ride over it anyways. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I could have fallen, guys. I almost fell. Let's get a good grip this time. Oh, that time was kind of even worse. Hold up. I heard somebody say my name. Trying not to scuff my boots. Oh yeah, that kid Austin. He's really freaking. Let's go see those people that are calling my name. Brayden. Wait, no. Jaden. Am I right? Okay, it's been a long time. Hey, YouTube. Guess what? This is my friend Jaden. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
You've grown so much. Yo, last time I saw you, you were like this freaking big. Stand up. I want to see how tall you are. Yo.
Makaya. Makaya! They cannot get cut.
Yo. I'm not like Micaiah. See me. Oh my God.
Or Alexa or Zoe.
Is Jordan there?
Yeah, Zoe or Jordan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, I guess. Sup, YouTube.